Hi friends, good morning. This is my fourth lecture related with the chapter 2, standard 8. So in standard 8, we are doing linear equation in one variable. So in linear equation in one variable, still statement type of sums, or we can say problem sums are remaining now. This is the last topic related with the linear equation in two variables when equations are given. So, reducible to the linear form. Today's topic is related with the reducible to the linear form. So, there are in exercise 2.6 there are 6 or 7 sums are there with one example. So what is the target? Reducible to form the linear form. So here generally if you will see 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Here there are 3 terms. Here there are 1, 2, 3 terms. So when such type of sum we have to form a linear form. So in last lecture we have also discussed that when such type of sums are there we have to do the cross multiplication. So 8 in bracket I have to write x plus 1 is equal to 1. In bracket I have to write 2x plus 3. So x in bracket x plus 1 is equal to 1 bracket 2x plus 3. Now if I will open the bracket 8x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 3. Now what is our target? Every time variable that is x should be on the left hand side. That is 8x minus 2x is equal to 3 minus 8. Now if you will see that 6x is equal to minus 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 by 6. That is a simple concept. Again we are discussing that what we have to plan. Reducible to form a linear form. So x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to, we have to write 1. So here equal to is given. What we have to plan? Cross multiplication we have to do. So 8 should be here and 1 in bracket 2x plus 3. Now write this and get value x equal to minus 5 by 6. If multiply x with 8 that is 8x, multiply 8 with 1 that is 8. Multiply 1 with 2 that is 2x. Multiply 1 with 3 that is 3. Now what is our plan? Left hand side always variable that is 8x minus 2x that is 6x. Right hand side always constant term that is 3 minus 8 that is minus 5. We can now check that our answer is correct or not by using minus 5 by 6 at here. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we can say our answer is correct. So such type of sum, total there are 6 sums, we can check any one sums because it is one type of checking. So I will return thoroughly. I think when you are visualize the videos you have to write thoroughly the sum. When I am teaching online on that time you have to write the sum directly. Now second sum, that is 8x minus 3. I am writing the question 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. Now denominator is 1. Now try to write this sum and try to solve this. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2 upon 1. So when we are doing this sum, what is the first target? Cross multiplication method. So do it by cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication से we have to do it. So now open it. So 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into bracket 3x. So 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. So 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. Again what I am doing now? 8x minus 3 multiplied by 1. So when bracket is open on that time you have to multiply with 1. So here bracket inside bracket there is 3x. So 2 into 3 that is 6x. So now again left hand side we have to make a variables, that is 8x minus 6x, that is 2x. So 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So it is also easy. Same thing you can also check by put a value of x is equal to 3 by 2 at here. If you will put value of x equal to 3 by 2, we can get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we can check one sum. It is called checking. So 8 in bracket I have to write 3 by 2 minus 3 upon 3 into 3 by 2. Now here it is cut. 4 3s are 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 upon 3 3s are 9 by 2 is equal to 2. So here 12 minus 3, that is 9 upon 9 by 2. So these 9 cut, denominator is numerator. So 2 is equal to 2. So our answer is correct. It is called checking. So second sum is also clear. So all sums are related with the 2.6 reducible to linear forms. All are easy. Now we are doing that is third sum. 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Now what is my first target? I have to open the bracket. So 9x in bracket 15, 7 minus 6x. Now if I will open the bracket, 15 7s are 105 minus 15 6 are 15 6 are 90x. Now what is my target? I have to complete all the variable on left hand side. So 105. Here 99x is equal to 105. So x is equal to 105 upon 99. Now try to cancel with 3. Why we have to cancel with 3? It's a key of 3. 5 plus 1, that is 6. It is divided by 3. 9 plus 9, that is 18. Again divided by 3. So we can easily divide it by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 we can give 33. So x is equal to 35 by 33. Cannot do it now further cancellation. So it is also again reducible form. We have to cross multiplication. Here denominator is not given, so you have to write 1 and make cross multiplication. Now fourth sum, that is variables should be a, b, c, d, x, y, z. Any variables we have used. So here z is given as a variable. What z is given as a variable, and we have to do the cross multiplication. So 9 into z, that is 9z is equal to 4 in bracket z plus 15. Now if we open the bracket, that is 4z plus 60. So 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. So 9 minus 4, that is 5z is equal to 60. So z is equal to 60 upon 5, that is 12. So we can get value of z is equal to 12. Now we can check this value that our answer is correct or not. We can check by put value z is equal to 12. So if we put value 12 upon 12 plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. So here 12 upon 27 is equal to 4 upon 9. Now what we have to cancel? We have to cancel by 3. 3 4s are and 3 9s are. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means our answer is correct. So though all sums are easy if you will go through properly Demas rule. It means every 5, first of all, if divisible is that, you have to divide it. You first remove the divisible, then remove the multiplication, then remove addition, and then subtraction. So fifth sum, that is we are doing now. So 3y upon 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Now here it is a cross multiplication method. So I have to cross it. So 5 in bracket I have to write 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 in bracket 2 minus 6y. Now what I have to done? Open the bracket. So if I will open the bracket, then 5 is 15y plus 5 into 4, that is 20. Mostly students are doing mistake here. They only open the bracket with first term. They forgot to open the bracket with second term. So 5 multiplied by 4 they are not doing. That is why they are doing the mistake. Now the negative sign is there. When negative sign is in outside the bracket, you have to change the sign. That is 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Minus minus plus 6 to the 12y. Now what is our plan? Like term we have to do same time. Plus 12 should be minus 12y. So minus 4 minus 20. So 15 minus 12, that is 3y is equal to minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 upon 3, that is minus 8. So minus 8 is our correct answer. We can check also by what we can check? We can check y is equal to minus 8. If you put at here, we can get left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will try that we can get correct answer or not. That is for trial purpose. So 3 into minus 8 plus 4 to minus 6 into minus 8 is equal to minus 2 by 5. So 8 is 24 minus 24 plus 4 again 2, 6 8 is 48 plus 48. So minus 20 upon 50. Now this 0 0 cut. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our answer is correct. It is called checking. It is also too much easy. So lesson number 2, again it should be in 9th standard linear equation in 2 variable in 9th standard. Here it is 1 variable. In 10th standard again same lesson is there. So anyhow you have to understand and get the value of x. Now last sum, that is 7y plus 4. 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. These are all the negative sign term. When negative sign is then again I will say to you have to change the sign of bracket inside. See now 3 again first step is cross multiplication. So I have to write 3 here. In bracket what I have to write? 7y plus 4. And now minus 4 in bracket I have to write y plus 2. Now when open the bracket, 7th is 21y plus 12. Here minus 4y and minus 8 you have to write. Now 21y minus minus plus. Why I have to make plus 4y? Because from right to left here it is negative. So it will be converted to positive. Is equal to minus 8 minus 12. So 25y is equal to minus 20. Y is equal to minus 20 upon 25. So 20 and 25 are the table of 5. That is 5 into 4 and 5 into 5. So y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Again I dictate. You are not 8th standard. You have to write 1 to 25 table daily, 1 to 25 square and 1 to 10 cube. Then you can do all the cancellation easily. So if you will check y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Then if you will put at here minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So out of 6, 3 sums we have checked that our answer is correct or not. So exercise 2.6 it is related with the reducible to linear form. Basic concept is only cross multiplication method. Again I am telling you, when you are doing the lesson number 2, first of all anyhow you have to write 1 to 25 table, 1 to 25 square and 1 to 10 cube.